All right, so you've watched the lecture on cabling, you've seen the live demo, then you took your quiz, and now it's for time for you to do your exercise. So if you work in the corporate environment, find out what is your standards on cabling. What are the cable, is it Cat 6, Cat 5e, Cat 5? What's the color? Blue, yellow, red? Many different companies have different standards. And what type of jacks and what color jacks are they using? In my company where I work, we have a blue standard on the cable, which is Cat 6, and gray jacks. So if you are working in an environment, corporate environment, find out what the standards are. IT may ask you, well, why do you want to know? Just tell them you took a course and you're trying to learn about networking, and ask them, what the standards are. If you're not working in an environment, then figure out what standards you would use in your own environment, cabling and jacks and all of that. So go on out and do your exercise, and we'll see you in the next section.